Hey Lennar fans, Roberto here with Pinnacle Property Group, and today we are going to preview the Trevi floor plan. The Trevi is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath home, over 2,000 square foot, part of the executive line of homes from Lennar. You can find this floor plan at many of Lennar's communities here in Southwest Florida. Let's go inside and take a look at this wonderful home here, featuring a 2-car garage. As you come into the entryway here, directly to our left from the foyer area are going to be 2 bedrooms and a shared bath. Here's the first guest bedroom here, directly located towards the front of the home. And then turning around, you'll notice the guest bath here, single sink and combination tub and shower. And then directly across from the first guest bedroom is the second guest suite. Both of those have bifold closet doors. Now coming back into the hallway area by the front door, nice little entryway here. We're going to head down the corridor, take a little right, and on the right side here is going to be your laundry space. All of Lennar homes come with a full-size washer and dryer. And then you have your entry to your garage there. Then you have your third bedroom here, and the unique thing about the Trevi floor plan is your third bedroom here features an ensuite bathroom with your singular sink, the combination tub and shower, just like the other bath in this home. Now heading out to the main areas here, you'll notice everything opens up really nicely. You have your dining space, your living space, and then you have this sunken living kitchen concept here with the flat island, stainless steel appliance package, huge corner pantry there, and all of this looks over your living space and your dining room. Now coming to the back side of the house here, you have your master suite. And as we enter your master suite, you'll notice there's some really nice sized closets here on both sides. So you have the his and hers set up. Huge master suite, plenty big enough for a king size bed, as you see there. You've got a couple windows overlooking your exterior lanai pool area. And then you have your master bath here with the dual sinks, your soaking tub, your standalone shower, and then also your private commode. And then the best part about owning a home here in Southwest Florida, obviously, is the outdoor living. The Trevi here gives you a beautiful amount of under truss space. Here you see the home optioned with a pool, overlooking the views here at the place at Corkscrew. Well guys, this is the Trevi floor plan, part of the executive line of homes that you can find in Southwest Florida, many of Lennar's communities. If you're interested in the Trevi or any other floor plan by Lennar, you can reach us at all the information below. This is Roberto with Pinnacle Property Group, and thanks for watching, guys.